Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade and welcome to Useful DIY Challenge November 2019. I'm very thrilled, yes, and I want to thank Donna for hosting this challenge along with me this month. I want to thank all the participants who are coming to Useful DIY Challenge November edition and all the viewers who support us and inspire us to create more. So there is a playlist as always, and the link to the playlist is given in my description box. It's an auto playlist, should pick up all the participants' videos automatically. But if it's not picking up your video, the link to the playlist is given in the description box. Just go to the link, add your video and watch all the videos and be inspired. And if there is any problem adding your video to the playlist, tell me. I'll pick your video and add it to the playlist. The theme for this month's challenge is paper craft. So be prepared, get down all your notes and pen, pencil and papers and get ready for some great crafting time for paper crafts. This month I have 3 DIYs to share with you in this challenge related to paper. 2 are going to be gifts for my son and who is growing up a little, going to be a double-digit number soon, and 1 is going to be a craft for all the kids out there, a little simple craft that you can create for these holidays and enjoy. I hope there are mothers out there who feel like me. I'm a bit guilty because when my first child was born, I had ample time and I did a lot of things. Whereas when my second child was born, I had a toddler at hand and a newborn baby and other things. I just couldn't manage so much time, and over the years these things just got delayed and I did not do this project, but now I think it's high time that I do it. What I want to share with you is some things that I made for my daughter. This is a little portrait I made for her, and this is her footprints as a newborn and her pictures. I made basically a photo album for her pictures, and other than that I made a booklet where she can add her notes about her, whatever she feels like. Rather, I added a lot of notes when she was small, and then I also made a folder which can hold important documents for her. So I made these things as a set for her, but I never had that time or nurture. I don't know why. I feel really guilty for not having done the same for my son, and this is the perfect opportunity. I'm going to make 2 gifts for him. I'm going to make a folder to hold important documents and a journal or a diary writing thing where he can note down important things or events related to his life or his thought process, whatever he feels like. He's in the growing stage before he questions where is mine, and I should make these things for him. And lastly, there's a bonus DIY, a little craft for the Christmas time for kids and anybody. Nobody can say that it's difficult. It's just damn easy. It's too easy and it's so cute. You would love to have this little Christmas tree on your table, desk, study table, anywhere. So let's start.
To begin with, I got a journal letter pad for writing, an old piece of paper with doodle art, a piece of brown paper, a little cartoon, and I like this design here, so I took this, a bit of ribbon, a few crayons in dark brown and blue color, and I got this cardstock paper. It was basically a cover and it's deep blue in color, and that's what I like. It's the same size as that of the journal, so cut it to the size, and there I have it. So what I'm going to work with is a plain official envelope, a big one which can hold A4 size paper, quite a bunch of them. So this is basically for holding important documents of my son and anything that he wants to see. I found a magazine paper and I'm going to use it.
I hope you enjoyed my today's DIYs. Be creative, inspire yourself and others. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon in my next video. Take care.